Hello friends, welcome to Flavor Explore. Today's video is the most favorite chicken biryani. It is a super delicious and flavorful recipe. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for our upcoming videos. Let's start. Required ingredients: onion, tomato, green chili, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, oil, lemon, bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, shahi jeera, coriander leaf, mint leaf, ginger garlic paste. For 2 kg of rice, we have added 1.5 kg of chicken. Here we have marinated the chicken with half cup curd, half lemon, turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder and salt as required. Marinate it for 2 hours. Curd. Let's begin. First, add required amount of oil. Once the oil is heated up, add bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves and 1 tablespoon of shahi jeera. Now let's add 10 medium-sized sliced onions, Now add 8 to 10 green chilies and cook until the onion turns golden brown. In this stage, add some water and fry the onion. Now add 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Cook until the raw smell leaves. After the raw smell leaves, add 4 tablespoons of chili powder. We have already added green chili and chili powder in the marinated chicken. If you want it to be extra spicy, we can add extra chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add some water and mix it well. Now we are going to add a secret ingredient, Maggi Magic Cubes. Add 4 Maggi cubes. Smash it and mix it well. Now add lemon, curd, coriander leaf, mint leaf, 10 medium-sized tomatoes. Smash all the tomatoes and cook it well. Once the tomato is cooked well, add the marinated chicken and mix it well. Now 50% of the chicken is cooked. In this stage, add water for rice and add the rice. To give a colorful look to the biryani, we have added 3 food colors: orange food color, green food color. Add some water, mix it well and add it to the rice. And yellow food color. Biryani is completely cooked. In this stage, gently spread the added food colors and mix it well. Now the biryani is ready to serve. Our super delicious and colorful chicken biryani is ready. Do try this recipe in your home and enjoy with your family. Happy cooking! Tip of the day. Do you want to obtain the flavor of whole spices by avoiding it? Here's a useful tip. Take a piece of cotton cloth, add all the whole spices and knot it, and add it in the usual process of cooking. By doing this, you can obtain the flavor of whole spices by avoiding it directly. Do try this tip and let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.